I'm Mr. N.
Nikem Jimmy.
Now I think you know her already.
Yes.
So today we make a different way of cooking because we want to do something for vegetarians and we don't add any meat or fish. And we only use except the egg, everything from vegetable and fruit. So what we're gonna do today is avocado. There is some very good fats. In fact, it's same as salmon. The good fat is healthy and not same oil, cooking oil or the processed cheese. This is a bad fat. And the other part, for example, the banana, it's good for the fiber, so it's good for you inside. And also, if you take it for dinner, it helps you for sleep. So it's very good for this. Yeah, this is a kind of good dinner, in fact.
The apple one tastes good.
Yeah, the apple you can take in the morning, in any time. And all of these have everything you need about the vitamins and the minerals and calcium and all that good.
ចាទាំងអស់នេះគឺជាម្ហូបសម្រាប់អ្នកដែលពិសាបួសចាអ្នកដែលពិសាសាច់អញ្ចឹងណានៅក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះយើងមាន avocado យើងមាន broccoli យើងមាន ចេកយើងមាន carrot យើងមាន ផ្លែប៉ោមហើយយើងមានស៊ុតចាទាំងអស់នេះគឺសម្រាប់អ្នកដែលគាត់ពិសាបួសគឺអាចពិសាបានហើយរសជាតិឆ្ងាញ់មែនទែនហើយគ្រប់យ៉ាងសុទ្ធសឹងតែមានវីតាមីន
Yeah, okay. So same last time, we just gonna clean before cook, and after maybe we can eat.
So we're gonna make salad or we just eat it like wrap it.
We can do like a cook or also raw. We can eat some salad. Depend on your taste.
Chà, ឥឡូវនេះយើងបានមកដល់តុអាហាររៀបរយហើយហើយម្ហូបដែលយើងបានធ្វើមិញនេះគឺបានចំអិនរួចរាល់ហើយហើយនេះគឺជាម្ហូបត្រឹង
Yeah, so we're gonna try and I hope it's good.
It looks so yummy. អូនៅក្នុង avocado មាន dressing នៅក្នុងនឹងទៀតចាចង់ឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឃើញដល់ហើយហើយគាត់ដាក់អូយយើងញ៉ាំតាមអ្នកធ្វើទៅពីព្រោះថាមានតែអ្នកធ្វើបើនឹងខាងឡើងណាឆ្ងាញ់
Good.
Is it yummy?
Yeah, it is good quality of avocado and sauce also.
Why is it sour?
Sour?
Yeah.
Really? Because of the vinegar.
អូ
I didn't tell you.
គាត់ដាក់ទឹកខ្មេះគាត់ដាក់នៅខាងក្នុង avocado ហ្នឹងគាត់មានទឹកខ្មេះហើយជាមួយនឹង olive oil អញ្ចឹងទៅ
Olive oil and organic vinegar.
អូនៅក្នុងហ្នឹងមានទឹកខ្មេះ organic ហើយរួមជាមួយនឹង olive ទឹកប្រេង olive